Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to see your liked reels on Instagram app. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your Instagram app and then go to your profile. You can go to your profile by clicking your profile on the lower right side of your screen. And then after that, you want to click in those three little lines on the upper right side of your screen, and then click your activity. And then once you click your activity, you can see these options, and you want to click on interactions. And then after that, you can see likes, then you want to click on that. And then here you can see all of your liked reels. Okay, so for example, that one, so these are all your liked reels. So if you want to remove or unlike one of these, just click select and then select the reels that you want to unlike. So for example, this one, then click unlike and unlike. So just wait. So this may take a while, so if you want to unlike all of those, just click and select them, then click unlike. Then that's how you do it. And I hope this video helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.